Good morning, students. Today we will do exercise 3.2. In this exercise, we have to learn about the exterior angle of polygon. So, sum of the measure of exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree, which is given there. Suppose that there is five exterior angle, then summation of all this is 360 degree. Okay. So, in any figure, if there is a polygon, then its exterior angles summations is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so now we are starting exercise 3.2, question number first, and its first question is it is a diagram there in this form. This angle is 125 degree, this one is x degree, and this one is 125 degree. There is three exterior angles, 125, 125 and x, but value of x which we have to find. So angle sum property of exterior angle is, we know that sum of all exterior angles in a polygon is 360 degree. Therefore this plus x equal to 360. That means 125 plus 125 plus x equal to 360. Now solve this. 125 plus 125 equal to 250 plus x degree equal to 360. Now value of x from there is 360 minus 250. So value of x equal to 360 minus 250, because 250 which we have to transpose in right hand side. Okay, then it will change its sign into minus. Now there is value of x equal to 110, because 360 minus 250 equal to 110. Now this is your answer. Similarly you can do question number second. Similar it is, but there is one thing you have to keep in your mind, that this exterior angle is of interior angle is 90 degree, then this is also 90 degree. There is an exterior angle which have this sign, that means this is a right angle, that means this is also 90, that means 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus x plus 70, which is equal to 360. Sum of all exterior angle equal to 360. Then you have to find the value of x. That means you have to put there 90, and there is also 90, then thereafter you have to solve. Okay, in question number second, find the measure of each exterior angle of regular polygon of 9 side. That means we have to find the measure of each exterior angle, no? Because if a polygon have, suppose you have 1 2 3 4 5 sides, then measure of each exterior angle is, then you have to divide 360 by 5, because there is 1 2 3 4 5 angles are there. Similarly find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. That means we have to find the measure of each angle. That mean if one angle is of 30 degree, then all exterior angle have 9 sides, then how much degree of how much sides are there. So you have to find their exterior angle of any one exterior angle. That means this polygon have 9 sides, then how much the degree of any each exterior angle. So what we know, that exterior angles of a polygon is sum of exterior angles of in polygon is 360 degree. So what we have to find, measure of each angle. Therefore measure of each angle, which we have to find. So what we have to do, we have to divide 360 by number of sides. This formula we have to use in question number second. So if there is 10 side, then for every angle will be 36 degree, but there is 9 sides, so you have to divide 360 by 9, then your answer will be 9 4 are 36, that means 40 degree. Okay, this formula is used in you have to use in question number second every question. If there is in question number second there is 15 sides, then you have to divide 360 by 15. Okay, then thereafter you have to find the value of each um, uh, angle. Okay, now question number third. In question number third, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? In that question we have to find the number of sides. Now how many side does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? So in previous question, measure of each angle which we have to find and number of sides is given, but in this number of side is not given, but measure of each angle is given. So which interchange the formula, that means number of side is transposed into left hand side and measure of each angle is transposed to right hand side from previous formula 360 upon number of side, which is equal to measure of each angle. Now but now number of side equal to 360 upon measure of each angle. So there is 360, which is we have to divide it by measure of each angle, which is given there 24 degree. So divide 360 by 24, then find the value of number of sides. Okay, if you divide 360 by 24, then you will get 15. That means number of side is 24, which is your answer. Now sorry, number of side is 15, which is your answer. Similarly you can do question number 4. Okay.